Stop telling people that. People think I'm going to be a weirdo. I don't want to be a weirdo. Wait, what did Noel say? What's a lie? Wait, what did Noel say? I'm not seeing it. Oh, there it is. Yeah, Juice doesn't respond. She said, my bad, dog. I'll never say it again. You watch your mouth. I'm watching you, my guy. Watch your fucking mouth now. I'm just kidding. Ah! Fried, yo, thank you guys so much for the freaking hype, man. Always so much fun to get freaking juiced up. Sweaty, as they say. If you're just joining us, we have some mashed potato brownies currently in the oven, and we are working on our chocolate, or our special dark chocolate glaze that we're going to be glazing these boys up with. Now, I'm extremely nervous about these mashed potato brownies because, well, there's mashed potatoes in the brownies. And when I tasted the batter, it was a little grainy, a little rooty, but still tasted like chocolate, so there's still hope. There's still hope. How much time we got left on those bad boys, by the way? Only 5 minutes left. So let's stir this bad boy up. Of course, we won't be able to put the glaze on until them bad boys have cooled down a little bit. We'll still put the glaze on the tester, though.
Are you ready?
Oh wait, wrong cam. I was being like a raptor, you know, or a zombie, yeah. God, that makes me out of breath every time. Harley, was that Harley? Oh, G-Fella gifted a sub to Harley. Let's freaking go. Harley, welcome back. No more ads for you, my dude. God, I am sweating so bad. Yo, Poppy, what's good? Poppy, welcome back. Good to see you. Channeled his inner Chihuahua. I didn't know I could do that. That was kind of scary. I don't know what the tongue thing is, but I don't know what the tongue thing is, but what's the Tuscan Raider dance? I gotta see this now. Is that this? Why do I feel like it's that? Noel says, Connor, sorry for not being able to give you monies for this month. For your quail, December, though, I'm gonna ask you to make the crambambouk. You're gonna make me make the other one? And Noel, no worries, seriously. We all have a lot going on, and there's no hard feelings there. I don't care. I just appreciate you. And I'm glad you're feeling better. At least your ankle's feeling better. And we need some more water. This is too thick. Oh my God. He'll have another meltdown. Hey, we did really well on the freaking Wellington. Okay, I don't want to freaking hear it, Juice. I don't want to hear it. We did really well on the meltdown. Hey, you can ask. Shawnee Boy ate some. Shawnee Boy liked it. Becky ate some. Becky liked it. So. What? Yeah, you were using a website. I think it was on your phone. Yeah, I want to say it's on your phone. All right, add a little bit more water to this to make this glaze. Man, that was hype.